Actually, you know what? I'm not 100% sure that it is from Particle. I'm hoping it's from Particle. Let me have a quick peek. But I know that they were shipping these. Come on. Yes. Alright. So fortunately I was right. I recognized the name on the package, although it wasn't actually branded. And they haven't given me any kind of an embargo, so I'm just gonna break this all out right now. Wow! Oh, they have their own Grove kit! Oh, this is so cool! Neat. I've been waiting for ages for this kit to come out. And I'm really excited that it exists now. Alright, so here's the Xenon. We're gonna look at what these things are. Here's the Argon. Actually, it says on it, you know, this one has Wi-Fi plus mesh plus Bluetooth. This one is mesh plus Bluetooth. So all three of the new modules, the Xenon, Boron, and Argon, the Boron is the mesh plus Bluetooth plus LTE board. All of these can do the mesh and Bluetooth. This one is $9 if you get it on the site right now. This one is, I think, how much is this one? This one is $15, and then the Boron with LTE is $29 if you pre-order it now. Wow, so cool. So I thought I would just, you know, get an early start on this one. So yeah, the Xenon is your sort of basic node in the new particle mesh network system. And then you can use the Argon or the Boron to link that entire mesh up to the cloud. However, of course, it can also function as a regular node offline, but it can also function as, it's like basically like a particle photon. Only it's different because it's got some extra cool, neat things. You'll notice that all these new boards are in the Adafruit feather form factor. So I have here one of the Hackster branded feathers that we got made a while ago. It was a limited edition. But similarly, pardon, they also have the same USB port. They have the same LiPo battery connector over here, or whatever kind of battery you have that takes a JST. And then, yeah, they have their own special particle magic. Here is a Seed Grove kit that's specifically for particle mesh. That's really exciting. Oh, it's got a little 7-segment display. Oh, we have to make a robot. Oh, look at it. And a little anchor board so you can attach 8 Seed Grove modules, of which there are a bajillion. You can get, like, you know, potentiometers, buttons, everything, like all kinds of sensors and all kinds of actuators that respond to those, like relays and whatnot. Here we've got like a temperature and humidity sensor. It's got a button. We've got a piezo buzzer. We've got a light. Is that just an LED or is it like a... and a potentiometer and a sonar distance sensor. Cool. Oh, plus what's this? Giant RGB LED. Wow. Cool. What was the one that I couldn't see? Oh, chainable RGB LED. And what was the one that I couldn't identify? Oh, yeah, it's a light sensor. Okay, cool. This one. Neat. Ooh. Let's open that up, actually. I love it when we get packages and don't have embargoes. Oh, it's so cool. We'll look at the website in a second so that you can get a source. But basically just go to particle.io/mesh if you can't wait. Look at them. They look like little candy snacks. They really look like these little, like, you know, treats that you get in Japan in these little plastic wrappers and stuff. And it's like little sponge cakes or whatever. And, I want to eat them, but I also want to make projects with them. So cool. I love 7-segment displays, but they're usually a little bit annoying to work with because they take a lot of soldering. But with the Grove system, that should be really nice and easy. What else have we got? We've got Fwing OLED. I'm assuming that means Featherwing OLED. So it's an OLED display that attaches on top of a feather form factor board. Let's take a look at that. I hope there's not an embargo. They didn't tell me there was one. Otherwise I'll be in trouble. But I think it's a... Ooh, yeah. Pretty little OLED display. Beautiful. And it's got 3 little interacty buttons, A, B, and C. This is plenty to make like a little name tag device or whatever. Oh, I'm seeing like a robot with a little controller / status thing. The robot is going to have like a little 7-segment LED face. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. I shouldn't promise things because I'm about to go on a bunch of travel to like Hackaday SuperCon and stuff like that, where I hope to run into some cool peeps. Featherwing Tripler, fantastic. So if you have 3 of these, you can use up to 3 of them on a single board. It looks like. That's my assumption. I've never heard of such a thing. Look at all these headers. Whoa! Whoa! Wait, oh, they're not connected together. Oh, how's this? Well, they are. Yeah, because they're not snap apart. Yeah, okay. You can see some little, like, connections. I'm going to give you some better focus so that we can all look at this together. There we go. A little closer in. All right, see those little diagonals between these 2 rows of sockets there? You can tell that they're all connected that way. Wow. So you can make a really big board, and presumably there's going to be some over here too. Yeah, there we go. Neat. Original design from Adafruit. Cool. Let's see. And then we have this, which is basically just a description thing. Particle Next Generation Developer Kits. Ooh, if I tilt it this way, then it looks really like futuristic and intense. Particle Next Generation. If I tilt it this way, it looks like Star Wars. Wait, it doesn't though. Hello, it's Saturday. Wi-Fi, cellular, mesh-enabled IoT, argon, boron, xenon. This one is the Wi-Fi device and gateway. So these are your basic little peon nodes. And then these are your little sort of mother nodes. I'm mixing my metaphors here. That will connect your entire mesh network family thing up to the cloud via Wi-Fi. And then this one will do the same thing except via cellular, making IoT devices even smarter with particle mesh. Built on open standards. Yay! This is Thread. It's an IoT device-to-device communication protocol that seems to be gathering some steam. I've seen a couple of things using this lately, actually. The Feather standard and open source hardware. What's on the other side? Ooh, get started. What's in the box? You get the Wi-Fi dev kit with the argon, the endpoint, the xenon, Featherwing OLED. We saw all this. And then, okay, yeah. Everyone who's interested, here are the places you can go for more information about how to get started. And again, particle.io/mesh is the place where you go to find out more about these. So you just, look at all this pretty stuff they have up there. The sort of meat of it is down here, mesh ready development kits. You can buy them, you can see the particular specs. If you click see the specs, you get these. Yep. They're going to be more expensive retail, so jump on them now. And yeah, then you go to the actual buy page, and it looks like this. You know how to do the internet. I don't need to tell you how to do that. Okay. Now let's break these open. They're really pretty. Actually, you know what these remind me of? One sec. Funnily enough, they look really similar to these Google AIY kits. Like, you've got the same kind of, like, cardboard with the white paper sleeve thing going on. Which, it's recyclable, it's awesome, I like it. These ones are really tough to get apart. I have to, like, work on them. So, let's see. Anyway, I really like that. Oh, these are much easier. Oh, look at that. Visit setup.particle.io to configure your new device. Particle has always had some really nice packaging with like really friendly ways to get started for new beginners. Tell us what you're building. This is Particle Mesh. Blah, 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 blah. Tell us what you're building. Excellent. And of course, there's a huge Particle project hub at Hackster.io/particle. They're actually one of the first companies to really embrace Hackster like years ago, so we love them. Whoa! Oh yeah, okay, cool. We get USB cable, breadboard, and components. So you can build like a little project right out of the box, which is the same thing that they've done with other kits in the past. I love that they make it so accessible, like you don't have to buy anything else to build something right away. Wi-Fi antenna for better reach, delightful. And then the argon itself. Okay, time to pull it out. if I can open the thing. Here we go. Ooh, yeah. Here's the argon. You got two little balloons for connecting antennas. One's for Wi-Fi and one's for Bluetooth. Here and here. And then we have this little connector. What is that? Is that for just programming the firmware or something? Probably. Mode and reset, just like your standard particle boards of different types. What's the bottom look like? Is that another antenna connector? It is! Huh! Interesting. What does it say? NFC. What? You can put an NFC antenna on here too? I'm really curious about actually how you would use that. Huh. Interesting. And now the xenon. Okay, I gotta put that back together again because otherwise it's gonna bother me. I left a couple pieces out. It's fine. And then the back of this just tells you all about the kit and stuff. Focus, yeah. Same thing over here. Tells you about how it has a Nordic NRF 52840 with support for both 802.15.4 mesh and Bluetooth 5 networking. So, yeah, the future of Bluetooth low energy, BLE, is going to all include, in Bluetooth 5, I think, is all going to include the capability for mesh. In fact, if you have some BLE devices already, you may be able to upgrade the firmware to use Bluetooth mesh. But this appears to be using their own thing. And here's your xenon. So pretty. And again, what? You have one little attachment for an antenna. And another one under here for NFC again. Huh! And then the rest of it is just basically bare. Really interesting. I want to know more about that NFC antenna. And hopefully we're going to get somebody from the team on to, to chat with about this. Don't do what I do. I just like do dangerous stuff all the time. All right, cool. Well, it's Saturday, so I'm gonna get out of here. But I really wanted to share this while it's fresh out of the mail van. And yeah, really looking forward to playing around with these. Which thing goes where? Where did the Featherwing tripler go? It's probably in one of the other boxes. Oh no, here it is. So much cool stuff. It's like hard to keep track of it all, which is really awesome. That was supposed to go in this sleeve, but whatevs. And then we have these that also go in there. I'll just pretend that that all went back together the way that I found it. Alright? Alright. It's our secret. More cool documentation and stuff. Alright. Have a great weekend. I'll see you Monday. Ciao.